Hey everyone, and welcome to Learn Bulgarian, the channel dedicated to helping you master one of Europe's most fascinating and underrated languages. I'm so glad you're here. Bulgarian is spoken by around 8 million people. It's one of the oldest written Slavic languages, and honestly, it's way more accessible than most people think. In this first episode, we're going to start with the absolute basics, how to greet people and introduce yourself. By the end of this video, you'll be able to say hello, ask someone's name, and have your very first mini conversation in Bulgarian. Let's go! Before we dive in, one thing you'll notice is that Bulgarian uses the Cyrillic alphabet, not the Latin alphabet you're used to. Don't worry though, we'll show you the Bulgarian words in both Cyrillic and in a pronunciation guide throughout every lesson. Today we won't learn the full alphabet, that gets its own episode. But just know that what you see on screen will always include the pronunciation written out in a way that makes sense for English speakers. For example, the word for hello in Bulgarian is Zdraveyte, and that brings us perfectly into our first section. Let's learn the most common Bulgarian greetings. Listen carefully, and I'll say each one twice. First, hello, in a formal way or when speaking to a group. Здравейте. Здравейте. Hello, formal. Second, hello, informally, to a friend. Zdravey. Zdravey. Hello, informal. Third, hi, very casually. Hey. Hi, casual. Yes, it's literally just hey. Bulgarian borrowed this one from English. Fourth, good morning. Добро утро. Добро утро. Good morning. Fifth, good afternoon or good day. Добър ден. Добър ден. Good afternoon or good day. Sixth, good evening. Добър вечер. Добър вечер. Good evening. Seventh, good night. Лека нощ. Лека нощ. Good night. Okay, let's do a quick repeat drill. I'll say the English and you say the Bulgarian out loud. Ready? Hello, formal. Здравейте. Good morning. Добро утро. Good evening. Добър вечер. Great work. Now let's learn how to introduce yourself. What is your name, informally? Как се казваш? What is your name, informal? What is your name, formally? Как се казвате? What is your name, formal? Notice the pattern. The T ending makes things formal in Bulgarian. You'll see this again and again. My name is in Bulgarian is Kazvam se, and then your name. Казвам се. My name is. So if your name is Sarah, you'd say Казвам се Сара. My name is Sarah. Try it now. Pause the video and say your own name. Nice to meet you. The full version is: Приятно ми е да се запознаем. Nice to meet you. Full version. That's a mouthful. A shorter version you'll hear all the time is simply Приятно. Nice to meet you. Short version used casually. Where are you from? Informally. Откъде си? Where are you from? Informal. And formally. Откъде сте? Where are you from? Formal. I am from, in Bulgarian, is аз съм от, and then your country. Аз съм от. I am from, for example. Аз съм от Англия. I am from England. Аз съм от Америка. I am from America. Now let's put it all together in a short dialogue. Listen first, then we'll break it down. Alex says, Здравей, как се казваш? Hello, what is your name? Maya replies, Казвам се Maya. А ти? My name is Maya, and you? Alex says, Казвам се Алекс, откъде си? My name is Alex, where are you from? Maya replies, Аз съм от България, а ти? I am from Bulgaria, and you? Alex says, Аз съм от Канада. Приятно. I am from Canada. Nice to meet you. Maya replies, И на мен. Лека нощ. Me too. Good night. One new phrase from that dialogue. И на мен. Me too or same to me. Super useful. Before we wrap up, here's a fun cultural note that every Bulgarian learner needs to know. In Bulgaria, nodding your head means no, and shaking it means yes. I know, it's the opposite of what you're used to. Bulgarians are aware that this confuses foreigners, so don't panic. But if you're ever in Bulgaria and someone shakes their head while saying da, which means yes, now you'll understand why. Speaking of which, yes in Bulgarian is da, yes, and no is ne, no. And that's it for episode 1 of Learn Bulgarian. Let's do one final recap of everything you learned today. You covered formal and informal greetings, how to introduce yourself, how to ask where someone is from, your first mini dialogue, and the yes and no head nodding trick. Homework time. Try introducing yourself in Bulgarian in the comments below. Write Казвам се, your name, и аз съм от, your country. I'll reply to as many as I can. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. It genuinely helps this channel grow and means more Bulgarian content for everyone. Next episode, we'll be tackling the Cyrillic alphabet, and I promise it's easier than it looks. До скоро! See you soon!